This session, we are going to create a new central model. Now, before we go into central models, we have to understand its importance. In Revit, multiple people work on the same file simultaneously. This is accomplished by utilizing the central models and the local files. When the central model is accessed by the user, a local version of the central model is created on the user's device. The user will then make the necessary changes to the local model. Finally, the changes will be updated from the local file onto the central model by synchronizing the local and the central models. Now, synchronizing is simply the process of saving the changes made in the local files onto the central model. After synchronizing is complete, all the users will be able to access these new changes on the central model. Since we have explained the basics of a central model, we can learn about implementing the central model in Revit. After we open our Revit file, we go to the Collaborate tab. Here, we click the Collaborate button, which opens up the option to enable work sharing. The file to be used for work sharing should be stored in a server or cloud storage so that the entire team can get simultaneous access to it. After we find the proper space, we can save the file as a central model. Now, before we save, we have to select the method of user collaboration. We can either collaborate within our local network or use Autodesk A360, which is a paid Autodesk cloud hosting service. In our case, we choose to save in our local network.